malakas hangin is autumn, seasons of autumn na. So next month mag-winter na dito. Changing color na po yung mga trees namin dito, no? Nag-change na po ng color. Tingnan yung color ng ano namin, ng aming kahoy. It will be turning to yellow and orange. And then later on, they will falling down. So, ayan. Ang ganda tingnan yung ano, no? Yung kahoy ba? Yellow, may orange. Yung iba hindi pa nag-change ng color. So, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.